This dance is called Walking on the Moon. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot with some prissy walks. So you're actually going to be walking forward, but as you walk forward, you're going to cross effectively the legs over each other. So you're going to step forward on that right, slightly across, so you're crossing, hold. Prissy walk with the left, hold. Then with the right, hold. Then with the left, hold. So just walking slightly crossed. Cross, 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 cross. Walking forward. 4 prissy walks with holds in between. Just try that once more then. Off on that right. 7, 8. Walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold. Into a back rumba box. So you're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right. Step back on the right, hold. Step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, hold. Back rumba box. Try that once more off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. Let's add that to the top. Prissy walks off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. Add on a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, rock back on the right, and recover your weight on the left. So with these rocking chairs, very important that the rocking foot moves from the front, you recover on the pivot foot, it moves back, and then you recover on the pivot foot. So that leg has to move from the front to the back. Then step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, step forward on the right, hold. So that's a chase half turn with a hold at the end. That set of steps once more then. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold. Let's add that to the top. Prissy walks off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold. You're going to do another rocking chair, but this time with the left foot. Same principle applies. That left rocking foot has to move from the front to the back. So you rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right, cross the left over the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair off on that left foot. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, hold. That is the end of the dance at that point. Let's put it all together. Prissy walks off on the right. 7, 8, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, hold. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Prissy walks off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, walk, hold, side, close, back, side, close, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross. So I hope you managed to keep up with that, especially as I started missing out the word hold. So that is it. That is your dance and your walk throw. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. So walk, walk, walk. Side close, back, side close, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross. Walk, 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 walk. Side close, back, side close, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross. Walk, 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 walk. Side close, back, side close, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross. Walk, 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 walk. Side close, back, side close, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, step. Rocking chair, step, pivot, cross. Walks, rubber blocks, rocking chair,
keep your feet on the ground.
rocking chair,
It's not
walks,
always what it seems.
rubber,
Love may be a dream.
rocking
Some
chair,
angels fly high just to fall
rocking chair,
down. But Mama
walks,
was walking on the moon last
rubber,
night.
rocking chair,
Two loving arms held me
rocking
tight.
chair,
And the
walks,
stars dance around so
rubber,
bright. When I
rocking
was
chair,
walking on the moon
rocking
last
chair.
night. The lights of the town were going yellow-brown. The moon was beginning to rise. I kissed Mama at the door. I said, don't worry anymore. I see Daddy with those same stars in your eyes. And Mama, I'll be walking on the moon tonight. Two loving arms will hold me tight. And the stars are dance around so bright. As I'm walking on the moon tonight.
Hope you managed that one.